Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I've got another question for you. Question on my site that a gentleman asked about a previous video that we made about how to cook a ribeye steak in a cast iron skillet. And boy, did I get some comments on that. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link to that in the comment section there in the description box where you can go check that out. But anyway, SKF 358 says marinating in what? So I had left a comment that or when I was making the video, I said it had been marinating a little bit overnight, and you know, marinating is something that a lot of people do to their steak or they don't. Now the only thing I did to that steak, it's really not a marinade. It's just I guess you could consider it that. But it's just salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic. SPGO, I call it. I have my own blend. I have my own mixture that I use, and I use it all the time. And so, I just shook on a little bit of my SPGO onto the steak and put it in a Ziploc bag. Put it back in the refrigerator and let it set for several hours. Actually, that particular steak, it set overnight. And all that does, it just allows the salt and the spices to, the steak to absorb that into the meat. And man, it works perfect for me. I love that if I have time to do that. So anyway, that's the answer to that question. If you guys do any kind of marinating on your steak, leave me a comment and let me know what you do. Are you just a salt and pepper kind of guy or gal? Or do you use some kind of store-bought marinade, or maybe some kind of marinade that you make yourself, your own special blend, and you put that on your steaks before you either grill those or cook them in a cast iron skillet? I had several comments on this. Some people, they have their own opinions about what a steak should look like, and I had a couple of them say there was no crust on it. So man, I don't ever have any complaints with anybody that eats my steak, whether it's got a real hard crust on it or not. So anyway, I apologize if I didn't meet up to their expectations of what a crust should look like on a steak, but it was done through and through. I mean, the temperature was right, and let me tell you what, it tasted just right too. So hey, we appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. Now it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you again. Bye bye.